Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into glamorous makeup ideas to elevate your everyday beauty routine. Who says glam is just for special occasions? Let's bring that red carpet vibe to your daily look. First, the soft glam look. This is perfect for polished, comfortable days. Start with a flawless base. Use a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer. Then, add concealer. For the eyes, go for a neutral palette with browns and golds. Subtle shimmer on the lid catches the light. Blend, apply soft brown eyeliner and finish with mascara. A touch of blush and a nude lipstick gloss complete this elegant look. Soft glam enhances your natural features. Next, the smoky eye. Don't be intimidated. Prime your lids. Use a dark eyeshadow, blacks, deep browns, or plum. Blend, blend, blend. Create a seamless transition from dark to light. Use a lighter shade, like gray or bronze, to soften the edges. Add black eyeliner to the waterline and finish with lots of mascara. Keep the rest of your face simple with neutral blush and a nude or berry lipstick. Own it. Now, let's talk bold lips. This instantly amps up your look. Keep the rest minimal. Start with a well-prepped base, foundation, concealer, and powder. For the eyes, simple mascara and eyeliner. The star, your lipstick. Choose a bold color that complements your skin. Reds, berries, or coral. Use lip liner. Apply, blot, and reapply. Bold lips are a statement. Finally, the glowy skin look. This is all about radiance. Start with a hydrating primer. Use a foundation that gives a dewy finish. Conceal, but keep it light. For the eyes, cream eyeshadow in a shimmery shade and mascara. For the cheeks, cream blush in rosy or peach tones. Highlighter, apply it to your cheekbones, nose bridge, and cupid's bow. Finish with hydrating lip gloss. Glowy skin is fresh and radiant. Remember, makeup is about fun and self-expression. Experiment and find what makes you feel beautiful. Thanks for watching.